Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we talk about guidelines for losing weight, related conditions, obesity. Since food equals calories, in order to lose weight you must either eat fewer calories, exercise more to burn off calories with activity, or both. Food that is not used to fuel the body is stored as fat. A major component of losing weight is to make smarter food choices. Here's how. Limit non-nutritious foods, such as sugar, honey, syrups, and candy, pastries, donuts, pies, cakes, and cookies, soft drinks, sweetened juices, and alcoholic beverages. Cut down on high-fat foods by choosing poultry, fish, or lean red meat, avoiding fried foods, using less butter, margarine, oil, and mayonnaise, avoiding high-fat gravies, cream sauces, and cream-based soups. Eat a variety of foods, including fruit and vegetables that are raw, steamed, or baked, whole grains, breads, cereal, rice, and pasta, dairy products such as low-fat or non-fat milk or yogurt, low-fat cottage cheese, and low-fat cheese, protein-rich foods like chicken, turkey, fish, lean meat, and legumes or beans. Change your eating habits. Eat 3 balanced meals a day to help control your hunger. Watch portion sizes and eat small servings of a variety of foods. Choose low-calorie snacks. Eat only when you are hungry and stop when you are satisfied. Eat slowly and try not to perform other tasks while eating. Find other activities to distract you from food, such as walking, taking up a hobby, or being involved in the community. Include regular exercise in your daily routine. Find a support group, if necessary, for emotional support in your weight loss effort. UCSF health medical specialists have reviewed this information. It is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace the advice of your doctor or other healthcare provider. We encourage you to discuss any questions or concerns you may have with your provider. Behavior modification ideas for weight management. Related conditions. Obesity. Weight management involves adopting a healthy lifestyle that includes a knowledge of nutrition and exercise, a positive attitude, and the right kind of motivation. Internal motives such as better health, increased energy, self-esteem, and personal control increase your chances of lifelong weight management success. Remember to have realistic goals and think long-term success. Believe in yourself and you can do it. The following information will give you ideas to help you meet your goals. Control your home environment. Eat only while sitting down at the kitchen or dining room table. Do not eat while watching television, reading, cooking, talking on the phone, standing at the refrigerator, or working on the computer. Keep tempting foods out of the house, don't buy them. Keep tempting foods out of sight. Have low-calorie foods ready to eat. Unless you are preparing a meal, stay out of the kitchen. Have healthy snacks at your disposal, such as small pieces of fruit, vegetables, canned fruit, pretzels, low-fat string cheese, and non-fat cottage cheese. Control your work environment. Do not eat at your desk or keep tempting snacks at your desk. If you get hungry between meals, plan healthy snacks and bring them with you to work. During your breaks, go for a walk instead of eating. If you work around food, plan in advance the one item you will eat at mealtime. Make it inconvenient to nibble on food by chewing gum, sugarless candy, or drinking water or another low-calorie beverage. Do not work through meals. Skipping meals slows down metabolism and may result in overeating at the next meal. If food is available for special occasions, either pick the healthiest item, nibble on low-fat snacks brought from home, don't have anything offered, choose one option and have a small amount, or have only a beverage. Control your mealtime environment. Serve your plate of food at the stove or kitchen counter. Do not put the serving dishes on the table. If you do put dishes on the table, remove them immediately when finished eating. Fill half of your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with starch. Use smaller plates, bowls, and glasses. A smaller portion will look large when it is in a little dish. Politely refuse second helpings. When fixing your plate, limit portions of food to 1 scoop/serving or less. Daily food management. Replace eating with another activity that you will not associate with food. Wait 20 minutes before eating something you are craving. Drink a large glass of water or diet soda before eating. Always have a big glass or bottle of water to drink throughout the day. Avoid high-calorie add-ons such as cream with your coffee, butter, mayonnaise, and salad dressings. Shopping. Do not shop when hungry or tired. Shop from a list and avoid buying anything that is not on your list. If you must have tempting foods, buy individual-sized packages and try to find a lower-calorie alternative. Don't taste test in the store. Read food labels. Compare products to help you make the healthiest choices. Preparation. Chew a piece of gum while cooking meals. Use a quarter teaspoon if you taste test your food. Try to only fix what you are going to eat, leaving yourself no chance for seconds. If you have prepared more food than you need, portion it into individual containers and freeze or refrigerate immediately. Don't snack while cooking meals. Eating. Eat slowly. Remember, it takes about 20 minutes for your stomach to send a message to your brain that it is full. Don't let fake hunger make you think you need more. The ideal way to eat is to take a bite, put your utensil down, take a sip of water, cut your next bite, take a bit, put your utensil down, and so on. Eating out and social eating. Do not arrive hungry. Eat something light before the meal. Try to fill up on low-calorie foods such as vegetables and fruit, and eat smaller portions of the high-calorie foods. Eat foods that you like, but choose small portions. If you want seconds, wait at least 20 minutes after you have eaten to see if you are actually hungry or if your eyes are bigger than your stomach. Limit alcoholic beverages. Try a soda water with a twist of lime. Do not skip other meals in the day to save room for the special event. At restaurants, order à la carte rather than buffet style. Order some vegetables or a salad for an appetizer instead of eating bread. If you order a high-calorie dish, share it with someone. Try an after-dinner mint with your coffee. If you do have dessert, share it with 2 or more people. Don't overeat because you do not want to waste food. Ask for a doggy bag to take extra food home. Tell the server to put half of your entree in a to-go bag before the meal is served to you. Ask for salad dressing, gravy, or high-fat sauces on the side. Dip the tip of your fork in the dressing before each bite. If bread is served, ask for only 1 piece. Try it plain without butter or oil. At Italian restaurants where oil and vinegar is served with bread, use only a small amount of oil and a lot of vinegar for dipping. At a friend's house, offer to bring a dish, appetizer, or dessert that is low in calories. Serve yourself small portions or tell the host that you only want a small amount. Stand or sit away from the snack table. Stay away from the kitchen or stay busy if you are near the food. Limit your alcohol intake. At buffets and cafeterias, cover most of your plate with lettuce and/or vegetables. Use a salad plate instead of a dinner plate. After eating, clear away your dishes before having coffee or tea. Entertaining at home. Explore low-fat, low-cholesterol cookbooks. Use single-serving foods like chicken breasts or hamburger patties. Prepare low-calorie appetizers and desserts. Holidays. Keep tempting foods out of sight. Decorate the house without using food. Have low-calorie beverages and foods on hand for guests. Exercise well. Make exercise a priority and a planned activity in the day. If possible, walk the entire or part of the distance to work. Get an exercise buddy. Go for a walk with a colleague during one of your breaks, go to the gym, run or take a walk with a friend, walk in the mall with a shopping companion. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Be sure to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We also encourage you to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts and suggestions for future topics. Thanks for watching.